What's going on, everybody? I'm recording this video to help you get set up with Discord through our events. So I'm going to show you how to get there from Meetup app, but you may be navigating from Facebook or from our website. But it's going to be the same process regardless of the platform you're navigating from. So let's go ahead and get right to it. I'm going to go into one of our groups here and just click on events. So when I click on our introduction to JavaScript event, you can see we have our title, our image, description. On the right, we're going to have some event details here. And one of the details is just the link that everybody who joins this event is going to have access to. When you click here, it's going to open up Discord. And if you don't have an account, it's going to prompt you to set up an account. The accounts are free. You don't have to worry about paying any money. You're going to be able to join these sessions and watch and listen in for free, regardless of the event. Now, after you sign up and it navigates you to our server, there's a couple things you need to know. On the left side is all the different servers. If you're already a member of Discord, you're going to probably have this whole thing filled up here, depending on which servers you have joined in the past. And so you can see I could navigate between servers. And so these are your servers. You could also add a server if you want to add your own for your friends or your family or your own group. If you're interested in gardening or working out or whatever, you could have a server specifically for those things. Here's another place where you could explore other servers, so you could find servers that you're interested in and joining other communities. But let's say we go to, this is our server. So you can see we have all of our channels in our server right here. We have, this is the content of the Start Here channel. This is the content of the general channel, and then these are the members that have access to each one of the channels. You can see Start Here, more people have access to the Start Here than people who have access to general, just because they didn't move through the onboarding process. So we have our servers, we have our channels, we have our content, we have members who have access to the currently selected channel here. If we look at another server, you can see they have entirely different channels, different content, entirely different members. Same with this one here, entirely different channels, different content based on the channel that's selected, different members based on the channel that's selected. So let's go back to our server here. You're not going to see all these channels when you first come to our Discord server. You're actually only going to see, let me go to brand new. So you're actually only going to see Start Here. You're not even going to see rules. You're going to see all of our premium channels, and you're going to see Ask for Help. So the only one you're going to be able to access is Start Here and Ask for Help. If you do run into any issues even after watching this video, feel free to just pop down to Ask for Help and ask for help. Otherwise, Start Here, and there's just a little bit here that you need to read. You can see that when you click on the red flag at the bottom of this message, you'll unlock the rules channel. So the rules channel will actually pop up here. But first, just make sure you read all this so you understand. You'll select your location. You'll select the specialization. These are so that you could actually communicate with people close to your area. So when you choose your location, you'll unlock a channel of that location. And so you'll be able to communicate with people who are close to your area, meet for in-person meetups, coffees, all that. And then you'll also be able to communicate with people who are interested in what you're interested in, whether it's like machine learning or blockchain or embedded systems, whatever. There's a ton of different things. And then last but not least, you'll have a more information channel that just gives you the rest of the information you need to navigate the server, and you're good to go. So you can see, click the red flag below. When you click this red flag below, you'll unlock the rules channel. So that'll pop up right here. And then you get one of these. You just get some of the rules here. Some of them I talk to the person who's violating the rules. Some of them I just ban instantly. Like this rule right here, safe and appropriate content. If you're posting inappropriate videos, I just ban right away. But yeah, read the rules. Make sure you understand them well. And when you're done reading the rules, feel free to drop down here. Click this little document here, and when you click this document, you'll actually unlock another channel just underneath the rules. So let me see, accepted rules. You'll see choose a location. That'll pop up. Rules will still be there, but you'll also have choose a location just underneath it. And so here, right now, we have 6 locations. And it's okay if you don't see your location. Like if you're in Boston, just choose Connecticut or New York. If you're in Atlanta, choose Florida. If you're in Seattle, choose California. Just choose the one that you're closest to, and then that way at least you could have conversations with people who are close enough to you. So choose one of these down here: Connecticut, New York, Illinois, Texas, California, Florida. Once you select one of these, you will unlock the choose a specialization. So click on choose a specialization. You can see we have tons of different specializations here. Most of the people in the server are software engineering, machine learning, or web development, or data science for the most part. You can see down here the number of people who have selected those things. And so choose at least one. You could choose multiple if you would like. Once you select one of these here, you're going to unlock the next channel, the last channel. And so you can see once you choose your specialization, you're going to unlock the more information channel. And this is just everything you need to know about all the channels you're about to unlock. So the first thing is right underneath the more information channel, you're going to unlock the introductions channel. So go ahead and just copy and paste this into the introductions channel and just let people know, hey, I'm from here, I work as this. Post your LinkedIn profile so everyone can connect with you. You're going to unlock the general channel and all these channels right here, which everybody has access to. Also, you're going to have access to, you could see all our premium channels have the little blue star. Everyone gets access to a free trial, so you could try it out before you actually make any commitments. But you'll also be able to pop into the sessions and just watch. So you're not going to be able to type code or speak unless you're actually signed up for the free trial, but you'll be able to hop in and see what it's all about, regardless of whether you're signed up or not. So you'll have access, you can listen in. And then if you just want to stay a general supporter and just access our free events, our in-person events, that sort of thing, you could go ahead and pop over to Patreon and contribute. I believe we have a $10 membership just for people who want to contribute to that. And then, yeah, so read this. This will be the last one that you're reading. This will help you know about all the channels you're about to unlock that are going to show up here. And I'm about to show you how they show up too. So go ahead, go to the bottom, click this globe right here. And then once you click that globe, you'll officially become a member. And you'll have access to all these channels. Even more, actually. You'll have access to specialization and location-based channels as well. So if you come to general, actually let's go to introductions first. You can see that everybody just introduces themselves. They copy and paste from the more information channel and just fill in the blanks. Everybody connects here. We have people from all over the place. The general channel is going to be used to just general conversation throughout the day. You want to talk about anything computer science or software related, go ahead and just post it here. We keep the conversation going. Here, projects, you're going to be able to post your projects, so feel free to just share the projects you're working on with everybody else. Resources, just resources you found valuable, share with the rest of the community. Announcements, this is where I make announcements about changes or new events that we're adding. Ideas and feedback, feel free to just leave advice on how to improve the server. Problems of the day, I post 4 problems every single day, an easy, medium, and 2 hards for the data structure algorithm event that we have later. That's down here. We all meet here in this voice channel and just share solutions, share our screens, and it's cool. It's language agnostic. You see solutions in all different types of languages and all different types of algorithms, so it's really, really educational. We have a co-working space if you want to just work during the day. I've seen people pop in here and just working together throughout the day, regardless of your location and specialization. We have an open discussion. I'll pop in here and just let the community answer questions and get involved every once in a while. And then we have a digital daily stand-up, which is part of our boot camp. We're going to be doing that in the morning, where we just meet and say what we worked on yesterday, what our goals for today are, and what obstacles we're facing. This is something that is for our premium members. So premium members are able to unmute, speak, share, text, join the chat. Regular members are going to be able to pop in and listen and just see what's going on with our boot camp. Then we have our free events. So we have machine learning. Right now we're working on a project where we're analyzing New York City taxi data to predict the duration of the current trip. So that's a cool real world project. Everybody has access to this one right here. You don't have to be a premium member. This web development channel, we host our boot camp. So you're going to be able to pop in here. If you're a premium member, you're going to be able to type code, get involved, pop into my code editor, text, speak, all that stuff. For our regular members, you'll be able to pop in and just see what we have going on, what projects we're working on, and just kind of hang out. And data structure algorithm, another entirely free event. We do that every day, Monday through Thursday, and we just meet at the end of the day and share the solutions from our problems of the day channel. So whenever you're free, feel free to solve these problems, and then at the end of the day, we all meet here. This is our boot camp category here. So we have introduction, intermediate, and advanced JavaScript. This is basically what prepares people to work on these open source projects like our nonprofit navigator and our starter app and all that stuff. Yeah, these are all preparation. These are premium membership right here, though you do have access to it. So if you're just a regular member, you could pop in and just listen, watch, and yeah, see what we have going on, see what the events are even like. And if you're a premium member, you'll be able to hop into the code editor. You'll be able to chat, get involved, ask questions, all that stuff. And then we have our ask for help. If at any time, even after this video, you're like, okay, that all makes sense, but what about this? Feel free to just ask a question here. I'll do my best to help you out. And then these are our bootcamp open source projects. So we're using the bootcamp to prepare people to work on open source projects and actually get involved with real world projects. So if you do click on like web development, for example, you should have access to that as a member. You'll pop in, you'll be able to listen, get involved. Same with this, you'll be able to pop in, get involved. Though with these down here, you're gonna see subscribe. So you're gonna get a 7-day free trial, a 1-week free trial if you want to get involved, participate, type code, and all these other ones. Same with these here. So you'll be able to pop in and listen along if you're not a premium member, but actually getting involved is going to be the next level up. And then we have our events listed here. So if you ever want to know where our events are, it's just at the top left. You can see we have our introduction to JavaScript today at 6, coding bootcamp 7, data structure algorithm 8, machine learning Friday, Saturday, Sunday, which is entirely free. Data structure algorithm contest on Saturday, entirely free as well. So if you're interested in any of the events we got going on, just pop in and check out the events. And yeah, oh, there was one more thing I wanted to show. Let's just say you choose Texas. You're going to be able to see location here. So you're going to see your Texas chat right here. Brand new channel, so not too much activity, but let's go back. Check out Connecticut, what it looks like. So same thing, you get the locations, but you only see Connecticut there. And then for the specializations, let's say you choose machine learning. You'll see the specializations channel here. So if you choose 3 specializations, you'll see 3 channels here. If you choose like software engineering, machine learning, and embedded systems, you'll see those 3 here. You're only going to see what you choose. So you can see I click on machine learning and yeah, I have access to the machine learning chat. So definitely start here, work your way down, unlock all the channels, and yeah, if you have any other questions, just pop into the Ask for Help and I'll do my best to help you out.